Hi friends, and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today I'm going to be making this instant Besan Barfi. It gets ready really quickly and it's really delicious to eat. So if you are craving for something sweet or you have unexpected guests and you want to make something sweet, this is the ideal recipe. It has very few ingredients which we have at home, and it gets ready in a jiffy. So please watch the video till the end. There is a shout out for a special subscriber. Today's shout out also goes to a very special subscriber, Janet D'Souza. Janet spelled with a J-A-N-E-T. Yesterday was Janet Fernandez with a J-A-N-E-T-T-E. But this is Janet D'Souza. So Janet, if you're watching my video, I'm sure you are. Thank you so much. Janet also has been with me for a very long time. I think from the time I started, or maybe from a year or two later from that. But she also has always been supporting my recipe, my channel, always been saying kind words, short and sweet, to the point, but always very loving and very kind words and comments. That's what brings a smile to my face, and I feel like going on with my channel, sharing more recipes with you all, getting up in the morning, going through my mama's books, seeing what I can share with you all, or asking my relatives, my friends for some unique recipes that I have tasted at their homes and to share it with all of you all. So you all can also try it out, have it yourselves, give it to your family and friends. So Janet, I wish you all the best in life. May God bless you and your family, and may your life always be filled with joy and happiness. And keep watching Akshata's Recipes, keep writing to me. Thank you so much again. So lots of love, Akshata. So wasn't that a real simple recipe? Something which you can really make really quickly. So I hope you give this recipe a try. Go and check out my channel. I have many more recipes like this which get ready in a real quick time. So if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the like button. I need those thumbs ups, because if I get thumbs ups, then they know YouTube also analyzes that this is a good video and they promote it, they send it to more people, new people get to watch it. So whenever you give me a thumbs up, it's really helpful. Also watching the video is very helpful to me. The entire video till the end also helps me a lot. So I need your support, guys. I need to grow my channel. I need to put up more and more and more recipes, and I need your support for that. And for all of you who are supporting me at the moment, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for being here on Akshata's Recipes. I couldn't have done it without you. So on that note, I'll say bye. Take care of yourselves. Be loving and kind to one another, and be kind to yourself. You are also very important, and you are enough the way you are. Enjoy your day, take care of yourself, do things that make you happy, and keep watching Akshata's Recipes, because I know I bring a smile to your face and make cooking a little easier if I can. So with lots of love to you all, this is Akshata signing off. Bye!